Hi, my name is Barb Hush. I work at the Door County Library for the Forestville Library in Forestville, Wisconsin. And we are a branch library of the Door County system. And I like to do crafts with the kids. Before the pandemic, we had a lot of in-person story times, and now we are still doing some of the virtual story times and crafts. And you can find those online on our Door County Library website, and you can find the links to watch all my videos. So I would like to show you today a fall craft, and it is a little owl like this, and it's pretty easy. Simple things that you probably have at home: construction paper, glue, scissors, and of course some little cupcake liners here that I use for the eyes. And so I will tell you what you need to do if you want to make this with your child. First of all, you will need a half a sheet of tan paper, and then you cut it out this shape, rounded at the bottom, and then that shape at the top, so it has little ears, little tufts up there. So that's the shape, and it's a half a piece of tan paper. And then I took dark brown paper and I cut it into all these little squares like this, so that they can glue it on to give it a textured appearance like this. And it takes a little while for them to glue all those little pieces on the tan paper. And the little squares are dark brown, and again, it's a half a sheet of normal sized construction paper, and then I cut it into squares. And you will also need 2 cupcake liners. I have yellow, but you can use white also. If you use white, I believe then you would make this little circle yellow or brown, something. It's not real particular, but I used the white paper, and then I just drew the little black circles for the eyes on myself. And then you will need orange construction paper, just a small quantity of it, because you'll need to cut out a beak like that, and the 2 little feet. And the 2 little webbed feet look like that from behind. That's the shape. And there you have it. You have a nice little owl, and it really pops. It's 3D because of the cupcake liners, and I just think it's adorable. And it's a nice fall craft to do with your kids. I hope you enjoy it. Happy crafting. Happy fall. Bye.